my viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Shilpa. So today I came up with this very gorgeous glamorous look. You can wear this look wherever you want. There is no bounds, but today I do this video specially for Valentine's Day. So red is the symbol of love. So that's why I choose to wear red gown, red lipstick, and try to do something red eyeshadow. So if you guys want to know how I create this look, then please keep on watching. So at first I take my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus and spray this all over my face to give my face a nice hydration. Now I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. I'm in the shade NC30. Then I take my MAC Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Silver. I mix this with my foundation. This foundation is a mattifying foundation, so that's why adding some strobe cream can reduce the mattifyingness and make it a little bit dewy. That's what I like. So I mix them on back of my hand and apply this all over my face. This foundation has a little bit chemically smell that I don't like, but this is a very nice foundation. Now I'm taking my PAC 265 foundation buffing brush to buff my foundation all over my face. Guys, the secret of flawless foundation is time. Yes, always take time to blend your foundation properly. This is the basic step, so you just can't skip or hurry in on that step, okay? Now I'm taking my Maybelline Age concealer. This is in the shade Neutral. So I apply this concealer to conceal and highlight my face. So I apply this under my eyes, bridge of my nose, center of my forehead, on my cupid bow, around my mouth, around the corner of my nose, and I also apply this concealer as my eyeshadow base. So I apply this concealer on my eyelid. To blend this concealer, I again take my PAC 265 foundation buffing brush and blend this concealer seamlessly. Now I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus foundation. I'm in the shade NC35. To set my foundation, I just apply this powder. So I take my Wet n Wild powder brush and slightly dusting off the powder all over my face. Now I take my NYX Contour and Highlight palette. At first I take the banana shade from this palette to set my under eyes. Now I'm taking that contouring shade from this palette with that same brush. So right now my face is a white mess, so I have to bring back the structure of my face. So that's why I apply this contouring shade on my cheek area, my forehead area, and I also apply this contouring shade on my jawline. And I blend this contouring shade very well. Now I'm taking the bronzing shade from this palette. So guys, sometimes I skip contouring, but I never ever skip bronzing. I don't know why, but for me it's like bronzing is something that bring back the life of your face. After adding some bronzer, it just give your face a very nice 3D effect. So yeah, I just love bronzer. Now I'm contouring my nose. This is the most fun and interesting part for me, to create a fake nose. So now I'm taking my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. At first I take the very light shade. This is a very light peachy kind of shade. I take that shade as my transition color. And to apply this color, I take my brush PAC 204. And I just apply this shade very well on my crease area. Now I'm taking that brick orangey kind of shade with that same brush, and I again apply this on my crease line just to give my crease a nice warmth effect. Now I'm taking a reddish maroony shade and apply this again on my crease line to just give my crease a nice reddish effect. Now I'm taking that maroonish reddish shimmer shade with a flat brush. Mine is from Vega. You can take any flat brush you have. So I applied the shade all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking that dark chocolate shade with that same flat brush, and I just apply this on the outer corner of my eyes to give it a very nice depth effect, but make sure you have to blend that shade properly. Now I'm taking PAC 210 fluffy brush to blend the edges of the eyeshadow and create a very nice smoky effect. Guys, today I use very minimal amount of brushes to show you that you can create any look just having 4 or 5 brushes. So yeah, I'm taking my Faces Ultime Pro Brow Pencil, and at first I fill the gaps on my brows where I needed. Then I take that spoolie side to blend the product evenly. So now I'm taking my Nyka liquid eyeliner in the shade black. So today I'm doing a very long wing liner. So that's why I draw the outer parts of that liner. Then very carefully I do the inner parts. With my Vega pencil brush, I take that big orangey shade and I apply this on my lower lash line. Then I take that chocolate brown shade and I also apply this on my lower lash line. Today I do not apply kajal, but still I have to smoke it out. So now I'm taking my Maybelline Volumizing waterproof mascara. So I coated this heavily on my upper lashes, and I also applied this mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm taking my Lakme 925 blusher. This is in the shade Peach Affair. To apply this blusher, I again take that Wet n Wild powder brush. For me, this is the perfect blusher for this look because it has a nice amount of redness and it has a very nice sheen on it. That's what I love the most. So now I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Highlighter. This is in the shade Soft and Gentle. This is the most popular highlighter of MAC. So that's why I have to try it out. So to apply this highlighter, I take my PAC 045 pan brush. So this highlighter gives you a very nice within glow effect. I apply this highlighter on my cheekbone, bridge of my nose, little bit on my forehead. I apply this on my cupid bow, little bit on my chin, like those areas, the usual areas where I apply my highlighter, and I'm in love with this highlighter. To take away all the powderiness from my face and melt every single product, I spray MAC Fix Plus all over my face. Now I'm taking my MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Feel So Grand. Guys, the moment I saw that color, oh my god, I just picked this up. This is a true red color. And the applicator, oh my god, this applicator is perfect. You can easily apply your lipstick with that applicator. I am in love with this. enjoyed this tutorial. If you then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and share, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Lots of love from my side. See you soon on my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Red lipstick.
না
আচ্ছা দাও এটা ক্র্যাক কাট করে দাও